When there's a big snowstorm in Chicago, the entire nation feels the impact. CBS 2 Susanna Song live at O'Hare, where the airlines are already trying to help passengers navigate the storm. Hi, Susanna.
Hey, good morning, Aaron. Several airlines, including United, American, and Southwest, are waiving their change fees to accommodate flyers who cannot get out either tonight or tomorrow. All of these folks, though, behind me, they are lucky. They're fortunate enough to be able to fly out today. I met a couple from St. Charles. They were smiling ear to ear when I met them a few minutes ago. Take a listen.
We're happy. Oh, we're getting out of here right before the snow goes. We don't want the snow to be, we don't want to be in the snow.
You have a cruise to catch.
Yes. Going out of Port Canaveral.
And that cruise ship's not waiting for you guys if you miss this flight.
No. They may be waiting for somebody, but not us.
You're feeling pretty relieved.
Yes.
Oh, it's easy now. A little bit later in the day, it'll start backing up, and tomorrow. And the cruise is out on Sunday, so there's going to be a lot of people trying to get out on Saturday, Friday, that kind of thing. We'll be there. We'll have the first Mai Tai.
A Mai Tai under a hot, blazing sun sounds pretty good right about now. Anyway, Southwest, I should mention, has also preemptively canceled 30 flights. So keep that in mind if you are flying out of Southwest. Make sure you check your airlines. Reporting live from O'Hare, Susanna Song, CBS 2 News. Aaron?
All right, Susanna, thank you.